Welcome to YOUCANIC. In this video I'm going to go over the steps on how to remove and replace the airbag and the steering wheel on a Mitsubishi Mirage. You want to start by opening the hood, locating the battery and disconnecting the negative terminal. Then you come in the vehicle, press that horn and hold it for 2 seconds. Then after you do that, wait for 2 minutes just to make sure that all the voltage, everything is discharged. And the reason why you want to do that is because the airbags, if you short any of the wires, if you cause any sparks or anything, they could, on the back, they can deploy and cause injuries. So you want to handle that with care. Make sure you're wearing gloves as well. So once you do that, then to remove the airbag, you have a hole right here on the side. There's one that comes straight this way, has a Torx, or sometimes it can be a 10mm, but comes straight this way, and that's for these buttons here that doesn't help. On this case, there's a smaller hole to the side, and that smaller hole, you can take a screwdriver like this one, have it horizontal, and then go in that hole right there, and then you'd be coming right here, pushing on that spring. So you'd be pushing, so it'll be you'd have to be filling this quite a bit, you'll see, because there's no way to actually see that when the airbag is in. You can also use like an Allen wrench, since that's gonna be flat, and then it'll make it easier, but screwdriver works as well, as long as you have that horizontal, so you're pushing this way. The other thing is, once this releases, you'll see the airbag just pop up a little bit like that. And on the other side, you have the same thing. You have a spring. It will pop up on both sides. It might be locked at the bottom. You have a hole at the bottom of this as well, where you can push up right here. You push this part up, and that releases the whole airbag. Once you do that, make sure you're handling the airbag with care and don't hit anything with it. You have these connectors on the back. This yellow piece has to be pulled out from the connector, the center of the connector. Then you can unplug the electrical connector from the airbag, and the same with this one. When you reconnect these, make sure black goes on black and orange on orange. Do not switch these around. I put that airbag somewhere safe. Now to remove the steering wheel, we have this 17mm nut here. I have that loose already, but what you need to do is have someone help you hold the steering wheel secure. You don't want to just put that be loosening this up and then let the steering wheel or steering column counter hold all your force. Have somebody hold this, and then while they're holding it, you come here with a 7mm and break that loose. Once you break that loose, you can easily take it off. Now, before you remove the airbag, you want to mark it right here, so that when you reinstall it, you reinstall it in the exact same position. So you mark that there, you make a line on this steering column right here, and the steering wheel as well. Then you can go ahead and remove it. And I like to make another line here at 7 o'clock. Okay. 12 o'clock. So that just makes it a lot easier for me to put that right back. Let's make another one right here at 3 o'clock. So so now we can remove the steering wheel, and we also need to disconnect the electrical connector here. You would press on this right here and pull this back out, and that's it. Now to install it, you basically go in reverse order. This bolt right here, the nut needs to be torqued to spec, and the airbag, once you connect all these wires, you simply push the airbag in, you press that in, and that locks in place on its own. Once you have connected the airbag, then you go ahead and reconnect the negative terminal on the battery, and that should be it. Thank you for watching.